Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, the viewers. In front of me Alcatel LinkHub Cat for LTE device, and now I'm going to show you how to factory reset all settings using the web server. To do it, you need to open the LinkHub. You need to enter this IP address in your web browser, then click Management, scroll down, find here Restart and Reset. Find here Reset, click Restore Factory Settings, confirm, and wait a while. Great, configurations was successfully restored. Of course, the network is not available, so of course I can't connect to this network again. So after a while, this Wi-Fi router will create a network with the first name, with the first ID, and you will need to connect to it using the password on the reverse side of your router. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.